Hello, my name is Maria Fernanda Vergesi. I am living in Pamplona City. One of the Colombian cities that on the valley hosted a preserved tradition procession for the wheat is Pamplona. Localizado in the department of Norte de Santander, the city relieves year after year event of the Passion, Death, and resurrection of Jesus Christ, with a striking procession with the steps of shoulders and the white the active participation of the brotherhoods and brotherhoods. Was very well representation and rich Spanish heritage that came to the American land and was immortalized in the Colombian city. One celebration that was catalogued in 2013 as intangible cultural heritage of the nation. The Cathedral of Santa Clara or Pamplona Cathedral is a Catholic church located in the municipality of Pamplona, Colombia. It is seat of the Archdiocese of Nueva Pamplona, the main Catholic institution in the region. It was founded in 1584. Formerly served and chapel of the convent of Santa Clara until it was into cathedral by Diocese of Pamplona. The facade of elegant simplicity built in stone while stylish elements of the Baroque and Rococo. Has attained pillars and the pediment adorned while lacered and white the shine of San Francisco and Papal weapon. The well tower has a very wide double semicircular arches and is topped by an octagonal pyramid. Pamplona records low temperatures that sometimes do not exceed 10 degrees Celsius. Thank you.